Are you ever home alone?
Yes?
Do you ever hear weird noises and assume it's a murderer?
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing to fear. From the makers of Shazam, now introducing Oh Shit, the new app for noises in the dark. You love Shazam, the app for figuring out that tune the cat food store just won't stop playing.
Oh, I have pugs, actually.
Well, now introducing Oh Shit, the app for identifying noises in the dark.
How does it work?
I'm glad you asked, you straight up MILF. Well, all you have to do is touch the button on the app and it will identify the noises you just heard. Here, try it out.
Oh. Oh, wow.
That was pug breath.
I heard that was Roxy and Tina. Wow, that was good.
That was the sound of a murderer breaking into your house.
Wait, that's funny, but what?
Oh shit, it is no favorite app.